Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Ram 1500 louder. The most impactful modification for a more aggressive exhaust note is installing an aftermarket exhaust system. These systems are specifically designed to replace your truck's factory components, which are often restrictive and quiet. By upgrading, you can achieve a deeper, more resonant sound that truly reflects the power of your Ram. We will explore the best options available to get that desired roar. When choosing an exhaust system, you have a few main options. Catback systems replace all components from the catalytic converter rearward, offering a comprehensive sound upgrade. Axleback systems are simpler, replacing just the muffler and tailpipes for a noticeable change. For the absolute loudest sound, a muffler delete is an option, though it might be too aggressive for some. Resonator deletes also contribute to a louder, more pronounced exhaust note. Several key components influence your truck's exhaust sound. The muffler's internal design is crucial, determining the tone from mellow to aggressive. Larger diameter piping, often 3 inches or more, can improve exhaust flow and create a deeper rumble. The material, such as high-quality stainless steel, ensures longevity and a consistent sound. Always be mindful of local noise ordinances to ensure your new setup is compliant. Beyond just sound, a performance exhaust offers several benefits. You'll enjoy a more aggressive and sporty engine note, enhancing your driving experience. Some systems can even provide a modest increase in horsepower and torque, typically around 5 to 10 units. For optimal results and to avoid issues like exhaust leaks, professional installation is highly recommended. Always ensure all connections are tight and secure for the best sound and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.